Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to launch an Audi S5. First, ensure your Audi S5 is in dynamic drive mode. This setting optimizes engine and transmission response for maximum acceleration. Next, deactivate the traction control system. This allows for controlled wheel spin, which is crucial for a powerful launch. Finally, shift your gear selector into S mode. This engages the sport program for quicker, more aggressive gear changes, preparing your S5 for an exhilarating start. With your S5 properly configured, it's time to prepare for the launch. Firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, ensuring the car remains stationary. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. The engine RPMs will rise and then stabilize at an optimal level, typically around 3,000 to 3,500 RPM. This indicates the launch control system is engaged and ready. Once the RPMs are stable, the moment of truth arrives. Release the brake pedal quickly and completely. The car will surge forward with incredible force. It's vital to maintain full throttle throughout the initial acceleration phase to maximize your launch. Keep the steering wheel straight to ensure the car tracks true and maintains control. Experience the thrilling power of your Audi S5 as it rockets off the line. After a successful launch, you can either continue to shift gears manually for a more engaging experience or allow the automatic transmission to take over. Remember, practicing this technique in a safe, closed environment is crucial for both your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Always be aware of your surroundings. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the incredible performance your Audi S5 offers responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.